Okay, so for this one, we have a function g of x has a domain of -5 all the way to 10, and a range of y is less than 15. If a new function is defined by this transformation, then what are the domain and range of the new function? So here, let's try to picture this. Let's say we have a function that has the domain -5 to 10, and then it has a range of less than -15. So this is, sorry, range of y is less than or equal to 15. So let's say there's some function inside this domain. I don't know, something like this, just making this up. And then we're going to apply the transformation to this function, and then we'll see how that affects our domain and range, right? So whenever you're dealing with transformations, go inside out. So first thing I notice is that there's a minus x, negative x. So remember, negative to the x flips it over the y. So it used to be this. It used to be from -5 to 10. Just imagine this is our mirror. And then if you flip it, sorry, this is not, yeah, just imagine the y-axis is the mirror. If you flip this, I think it's, okay, I tried my best to make a mirror image. The point I want to make, though, is that the new domain, right, if you kind of, ignore this, and that's our new thing, the new domain is now from here, right? So it used to start from -5, but it flipped, so it's going to start from +5. Right, and it's going to go, it used to go all the way to 10, but now it's going to go all the way to -10. Right, meaning if we start the domain from -5 to 10 inclusive, the trick is, this is negate x, f of negate x, which is the same thing as reflect over y-axis. The effect of the domain is the new domain now is you swap them and you flip them. Right, so it's -10, 5. Okay, that specifically, so that was the first transformation. Next, we have a vertical stretch of 5. Right, we have this 5 in the front of everything. Remember, that's a vertical stretch, meaning we're going to take this and we're going to stretch this. Yeah, like that, and like that, I suppose. Yeah, 5 times bigger. So if you think about that, that didn't change our domain. It didn't go left or right, but it did stretch our, like the vertical. So let's say it used to go all the way up to 15. Whoops, it used to go all the way up to 15. Now it's going to go 3 times that, or sorry, 5 times that, to 75. So if the old, sorry, this was domain. If the old range was y is less than 15, less than or equal to 15, then the new thing, doing a 5 times f of x. I know they use g of x, but yeah, so if we did this as a vertical stretch of 5, then the new range is going to be y is less than or equal to 15 times 5, which is 75. Okay, so that's it. That's what they wanted us to find, the domain and range. So h of x, so domain, so for h of x, domain is, I'll use the same notation they have. It's between -10 and +5. And then the range is going to be y is less than or equal to 75. That's it.